TBK208M separation and lamination deforming all in one machine, while having a mini body, built-in vacuum pump and air compressor, unique fully enclosed and silent design, giving you a quiet and comfortable working environment. 8.5-inch large workbench suitable for all models, equipped with a pressure sensor switch to ensure a safe working process. It is time for our raw machine testing again. Press the screen to be detached on the bench. Simple parameter setting via touch screen. Turn on the heating and absorption function. Wait for the heating to be completed. And then start the separation work. The screen can be easily separated using a steel wire. Then use the TBK208M's degumming function to quickly clean up the glue stains. Position the cleaned screen and cover. Put into the work chamber for bonding and deforming. When the time comes, let's see how it fits. The screen fit perfectly without any bubbles.